Hello everyone, for today's video is how to accomplish the official eSAT school year 2023 to 2024. For those who would like to have the soft copy of this file, please watch this video. Before we continue our video, this is Mona Pecas de la Cruz. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment down below, and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified for my upcoming videos. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you! So the official copy of our electronic self-assessment tool was released by the BHROD, or the Bureau of Human Resources and Organizational Development. The electronic self-assessment tool was released by DepEd BHROD. Okay, so the link is here, and if you want to access and download the eSAT for teachers, you may use your DepEd email address and just click or key in or type in the link, or you may scan the QR code. The said eSAT is supported by the following Microsoft Office versions: version Office 365, Microsoft Office 2016, Microsoft Office 2013, and Microsoft Office 2010. Okay, so once you click the said link, ito na po ang lalabas sa inyong desktop. Okay, you can just right-click it and then download it. Okay, everyone. So this is the soft copy of the electronic self-assessment tool once you download it. Okay, so makikita natin dito, meron tayong enable content. So let's just click it. And then, yes, career stage. Let's click the career stage. So if you are teachers 1 to 3, you have to click proficient. And if you are a master teacher, you have to click highly proficient. So automatic na rin siyang magpapalit ng kulay. Okay, so let's say dito tayo sa proficient teacher. All you have to do is to click proceed. Of course, click agree. Okay, so again, you have to fill in the following information. And then for example, age, gender, course, size 15, level taught, then for subject. Okay, so yung area of specialization, subjects of all subjects, and then next. Please bear in mind na kailangan wala po kayong i-skip. Okay? So, level of capability and priority for development. Okay? So, katulad lang din po ito ng lagi natin ginagawang self-assessment tool. So, make sure na maging honest kayo kapag sasagot po nito so that your school admin or school principal as well as with your master teachers will know how to provide you coaching and mentoring. Alright? So, ito ang nagiging basis ng school administrators provide ng technical assistance as well as LAC sessions and and then click save, and then you have to provide password and then go. And just make sure na yung password na in-encode mo ay madaling matandaan. So, tada, this is your individual summary. Okay? If you wish to print it, you can print it so that this would be your MOV for the said for a particular objective. If you're not going to print it, just click finished, then you can view and then just go. Okay, so ito lang po siya. Ano ang iyong masasabi sa video nito? I-type lamang sa ating comment section. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Again, this is Mona Pecas de la Cruz, and please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment down below, and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified for my upcoming videos. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.